What's up, team? Today we're gonna cook the best steak you've never heard of on my Ninja Foodi Grill and Griddle. Coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, welcome to my kitchen. So glad you're here. Listen, today we got a good one for you. We are going to be grilling up some flat iron steaks in my Ninja Foodi Grill and Griddle. All right, we're using the 7-in-1, the latest version, but this can be done on any Ninja Foodi Grill. Guys, I just got a hold of a couple of these steaks from Porter Road, who is actually the sponsor of this video. So thank you to Porter Road. Team, have you found it difficult to find high quality meat locally? Well, Porter Road's got you covered. Porter Road is an online butcher shop that delivers high quality meat directly to your door. They offer a wide variety of dry aged beef, pork, and chicken, including rare butcher's cuts, and hand cut each steak and chop to produce cuts you won't find in the grocery store. When visiting Porter Road online, shop like you would at your local butcher. You can order items a la carte, but Porter Road also offers a subscription box that you can check out. If you're interested in checking out Porter Road, click that link down below underneath the video description, sign up for their email, and get 10% off your first order. And tell them CJ sent you. Guys, this flat iron steak is amazing. All right, if you haven't tried one, I suggest you either find one at your grocery store or hit that link down below to Porter Road and get you some. Listen, it has the tenderness of a filet mignon, the beefy goodness of a ribeye steak, and it's about a third to a half the cost of either of those steaks. All right, this is a good one for you to get and just enjoy. All right, it's just simple stuff. All right, let's go ahead and get started on this. It's gonna be a good one. Don't forget, guys, we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Listen, see that spot right there? Get it right. That is perfect for my play button that you get from YouTube and Google when you get to 100,000 subscribers. It's going right there. Let's make it happen. All right, hit that subscribe button and like the video while you're at it. All right, so we got these steaks out of the cryo bag and we got to clean them up a little bit, right? There's some silver skin. It's a difficult cut to harvest from the actual cow. There's tons of silver skin around it. It's a very thin steak in a very hard-working muscle area, all right? So we got to get in there and trim off some of that silver skin. There is actually a line of silver skin running through the whole steak. So you got kind of like about 1.5 inches on each side of a steak. You're gonna have to cut through that silver skin in the middle, but it is really worth it. Trust me on that one. All right, these steaks are amazing, okay? As always, we took some time and did a little dry brine on these steaks after we trimmed them up. Little kosher salt, both sides, let it sit in the fridge. Let that salt pull out that moisture and then absorb it back in, add that extra good flavor to your steaks, okay? I really suggest you do that on most of your proteins that you're grilling. Cool? We are going to be grilling these on max temp, okay? This is a thin cut of steak. We're gonna leave the lid open. We're using our Sear'NSizzle grill plate by Grill Grates. I'll put a link down below for it. Guys, I want to get these fancy grill marks on there. So you don't have to go out and get that Sear'NSizzle, but if you want it, there'll be a link down below. I'm going to be flipping these constantly with the lid open. It's gonna take no time to cook. We're gonna do these to medium rare, so about 125 to 130. Let them set for about 5 minutes. While we're letting them rest, we're going to be making a nice little compound butter to put over the top to just kind of melt over the top of your steaks as they're, resting, right? I've kind of overtalked this one, but we got a lot of stuff going on to make these steaks perfect. So come on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as, my kitchen island. Let's get going. We need to preheat our Ninja Foodi Grill. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. I want the temp to the max setting. 10 minutes is all we're gonna need. This is gonna cook up too quick. So let's go ahead and get that preheating. All right, and then we can start working on that compound butter real quick. All right, team, it's time to make that compound butter. We have half a stick of melted butter in there. I just put it in for like 15 seconds. Got some crushed red pepper, a little garlic powder, and some rosemary leaves. Really simple, all right? We're gonna go ahead and add about a teaspoon or so of our garlic powder, a few shakes of our red peppers, and probably another teaspoon or so. Okay. Next up, we're gonna do the same thing with some of the rosemary. Right. And I'm gonna give them a little scrunch, break them up a little bit. Okay, and then that goes in. I'm going to pepper the steaks, so I did not put any black pepper in the compound butter, but all we're gonna do is just go ahead and give it a stir. And then I'm gonna put this in the freezer to harden up while we're cooking our steaks, and then we'll be able to put a little compound butter on the steaks as they rest. Okay, that goes in the freezer, and then go ahead and come on back when we're done preheating the Foodi Grill. All right, team, we're almost done preheating, so I'm gonna add a little black pepper on there, a little cracked black pepper. So we just got salt and pepper on these steaks. Give them a flip. Get the other side done. Let's get ready to get these on the grill. Okay, team, time to get these steaks on. We are leaving the lid open while we cook. So let's go ahead and get these on. Make sure you get plenty of contact on there. Put the wrong side down, it's okay. All right, keep going. It's gonna flip every minute or so. Okay, we've been about a minute. We're gonna give it a flip. Okay. All right, team, now we're gonna give it a little rotation. Move it to a different spot. Get those crosshatch marks if we can. Make sure you're getting plenty of contact, and we'll give it another flip in a minute. Okay, team, time to give it a flip. All right, now we're giving it a flip. Let's give it a quick temp check too. All right, we're still in the 90s. All right. Give it a little bit more time. We're gonna keep flipping and moving and grooving them until they're until about 125, 130. Okay, another minute's up. Give it another flip. Gonna do our best to get it on the same grill lines, but it's okay if it's not. Yeah, make sure you're getting plenty of contact on there. They're looking pretty dang good if you ask me though. Coming along real nice. All right, another minute. All right, guys, we're almost done. Give it one more flip. And we'll get the compound butter on it, let it rest, we're good to go. Okay, team, we're temping out where we wanna be. Okay, we went a little over on that one. Yeah, we're a little over on that one. All right, so I usually don't let them rest on the grill, but I want to get these little nuggets of butter on there and take the thumbnail, so otherwise I'd pull these off. All right, team, steaks are off the grill. We're gonna let them rest for about 5-10 minutes. Let that butter just do its thing, and we'll slice into them. All right, team, we're over this. We're over the waiting part. We're gonna slice into this bad boy. We'll take a look. Got a nice medium rare in there. All right, looking nice, juicy. It's dripping on us. Cut another little slice off. Cuts like butter, looking good. Speaking of butter, made a heck of a little board sauce with the juices of the flat iron and the little compound butter we put on there. Compound butter was easy as can be, yummy, delicious. And I just realized all the stuff was McCormick spices. So McCormick, give me a shout, dude. All right, guys, let's go ahead and give these a try. All right, team, we're done. We sliced it up, took pictures. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, just dripping, gorgeous. A nice bite. I'm gonna put it in a little of that butter sauce, a little compound butter for you. Nice. Finger looking good, baby. Man, so full of flavor. Tender as can be, buttery. Got the rosemary, garlic, you know, all the stuff we use for that compound butter. So simple, so easy, yet so damn tasty. All right, it's good stuff. Can't wait to finish this up. Gotta finish the video so I can finish this. Guys, if you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi Grill and Griddles, I'll put links down below. My knives, the cutting boards, merch, my instant read thermometer is still available, all down below. Hey, show more. If you want to become a show producer like all these lovely people right here, smart, steak-loving, attractive people, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. Other than that, guys, we're done. I'm excited to finish this up. Hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.